We're going to slow down our network to throttle at a slow 3G so we can see this a little bit easier. We'll go to youtube.com. For the first time, we have no cache whatsoever, and YouTube sends us a document. And then the first thing that it does is it starts downloading a bunch of JavaScript and CSS. And in particular, it's downloading this desktop Polymer. So all that it can show us right now is this skeleton screen. It doesn't even know what my preference for dark mode is or anything, and it will update that here in a second. But it has to download this desktop Polymer before it can do anything useful at all. It doesn't even have the input up here or anything. And this desktop Polymer is huge. It's about 1.3 megabytes, and then it finally downloads, and here's the real kicker. It has to download more JavaScript before it can actually submit this form, something that the web has been able to do for a long time. So I'm typing, hitting enter, nothing's happening, it's just clearing my input, and that's because it's downloading this base.js, which is itself also a rather large JavaScript file, before it can actually do anything at all. And when that finally has finished downloading, then when it's finished downloading, there we go. Now we can say Studio C, and it will finally be able to actually make this search query. This isn't just something that I hunted around the internet to find. This is something I actually experienced as a user of YouTube and was really surprised that they had this problem. And it's because they have to download a bunch of JavaScript before the user can actually start using the application.